What if you looked into the sky and saw a little asteroid, and you thought it was gonna crash into Earth? But that asteroid is Mars' moon, Phobos, and there's also another one, Deimos. But what would happen if Phobos and Deimos entered Earth's orbit? Well, first of all, this isn't going to happen. Phobos is 48.34 million miles away, and Deimos is 48.34 million miles away. First off, Phobos and Deimos are pretty puny, and they could enter Earth's orbit just fine. But they wouldn't stay there for long. The orbital perturbations caused by tidal forces from the Moon and the Sun would destabilize their orbits. In general, this is going to cause one or both of them to head toward the nearest massive rocky floating object in space, Earth. An impact of a hypersonic Deimos probably wipes out life on Earth. Deimos is roughly the size of the Chicxulub impactor, which wiped out roughly 75% of all life on Earth, including all but a few mammal species and all of the dinosaurs except for a few bird species. If Deimos hit us tomorrow, civilization would collapse and there is a high probability that humanity does not survive. But Phobos is a different matter. It's nearly twice the radius of Deimos, meaning it has roughly 8 times the mass. That means 8 times the kinetic energy and roughly 8 times the destructive power. So if Phobos hit Earth, well, humanity will absolutely go bye-bye. Of course, it's possible that neither of them impact the Earth. In that scenario, we see 2 points of light, or possibly tiny irregular shapes if they're close enough, orbiting the Earth. I guess this might make you happy, but if this happened where Phobos or Deimos hit Earth, well, go find a bunker before it happens.